Welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps on how to change your city on the LinkedIn app for PC with the latest update. If you recently moved to a new place or just want to update your profile to better reflect where you're based, making this change ensures your profile stays accurate and helps improve how you connect with professionals in your area. Let's get started. First, open the LinkedIn app on your PC. Once you're logged in, look toward the top right corner of your screen, and you'll see the Me icon. Go ahead and click on that. This icon is where you'll find all of your personal settings and profile control options. Next, from the drop-down menu, choose Settings and Privacy. This will take you to LinkedIn's main settings area. Here, click on the section called Account Preferences. This is where most of your personal information can be updated. Now, under Account Preferences, look for Profile Information. Within that area, you'll find an option labeled Name, Location, and Industry. Click on it to open the editing page. Once inside, scroll down until you see the section for Location. This is where you can update your city. Simply type in your new city or select it from the available list, depending on what you prefer. Updating this section helps make your profile more accurate, especially if you're networking locally, searching for jobs, or working with clients in your area. After you've entered your new city, make sure to click the Save button at the bottom. This final step is important because it confirms the change and ensures your LinkedIn profile shows your updated location right away. And that's it. You've successfully updated your city on the LinkedIn app for PC using the new setup. With this quick update, your network and potential connections will always see the right location for you, keeping your profile in line with your career goals and opportunities. If you found these steps helpful, don't forget to keep your LinkedIn profile updated regularly. Staying accurate with your personal details can make a big difference in how you're discovered and connected with professionally.